Today we'll start a new chapter, that is probability. Okay, you had little idea about probability in class 9. Still you will discuss some portion from class 9. First you see what is called a sample space. The sample space is called all the possible outcomes, all the possible outcomes in an experiment. Okay, to understand that, suppose example, a die is thrown. Die is thrown. What are the faces you find in a die? Remember, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there. Okay, so sample space will be all the possible outcomes, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, suppose a pair of dice is thrown. Pair of dice is thrown, means die 1, die 2. The possible, look at here. So for that, what will be the sample space? S will be like this. Suppose first die is showing 1, second is showing 1, 1. So first will be 1, 1, 1. First is showing 1, second is showing 2. Would be 1, 2. Similarly 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. If first die shows 1, there are 6 possible cases. If first die shows 2, it would be 2, 1 also. So either it will be 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. अगर फर्स्ट डाइस is showing 3, then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Similarly, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. 4, 4 is there. 4, 5, 4, 6. Okay. Then 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then can be 6 dice. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that is total is 36. Acha, I am making a mark of this. Try to understand. Look at this number. Same number 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. They are called doublet. So doublet I am telling you. That is 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. So now, how many elements are there in simple space? How to know? Number of elements or events in the sample space. Number of events in the sample space. For one die, how many? The formula is 6 to the power n. One die means one die 6 to the power 1, that is 6. Two dice 6 square 36. You can count. We had 36 like this or not? If you have 3 dice, 3 dice. 3 dice, so all you cannot write. 3 dice is 6 cube, 216. So 216 that you cannot write. Sum you can write. Sum you can write as 1 1 1. 3 are showing 1. 1 1 2. Like this, the last one will be 6 6 6. The last one. Like last one here was 6 6. Here the last one is 6. Here the last one will be 6 6 6. So how many total? 260. Okay, this is about die. Okay, let's see coin. A coin is tossed. One coin में what is that? Either head or tail. Second, 2 coins. This is your simple space. 2 coins are tossed. 2 coins means either head, 2 head, or 1 head tail or tail head. 2 head, 1 head, tail. Means if there are 2 coins, first is head, second is head, or first is head, second is tail, or first is tail, second is head, or first is tail, second is also tail. Okay. 3 coins. Three coins. How to write? Triple head. Triple head. Then try to write 2 heads. Head, tail. Head, tail, head. Look at T mix like this. Head, tail, head. Tail, head. 2, 3 heads. 2 heads. Then 1 head. 1 head means head, tail. Mix up tail, head, tail. Tail, head. This is 1 head. 1 head, then 0 head. Tail. This is how you write 0 head. 3 heads, 2 heads, 1 head, 0 head. Okay. So its formula is simple space formula. Coin का because 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n. 2 heads में देखो 2 square 4. 1 2 3 4. 3 heads 2 cube 8. 2 cube 3 heads 3 coins 2 cube. 2 cube means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this is about the coin. Then let's see cards. Cards we have 52 cards. Playing cards 52. Then two colors. What are black, red. This is 26. This is 26. Even black has two parts. What is that? Na spade, claw. Spade is like this. Let's draw it here. Claw, 3 are there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is 30. Actually, it should be on the top. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 13. Then this has also two parts. Diamond is like this. 13. Heart is like this. 13. Then comes up face cards, which are called face cards. Means face you find king, queen, jack. King face you will find, queen you will find, jack you will find. Each one will have one key. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4. Queen also 4, jack also 4. So face cards 12. 12 numbers. S. This is 12. S means Ika. 1S, 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 1S. 4 S's. Okay. Non-face cards. This is face name. Total how many? 52. This is non-face. Other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 10 is non-face. So 52 minus 12. Face card is 12, so 40. Okay, this is about cards. Okay, now event. What is called an event? Required outcome from an experiment is called event. Required outcomes from an experiment is called event. That is, example, getting one head from a pair of coins. Means Pair of coins is your sample space. So what is sample space here? The head, tail, head, tail. Sample space. Record outcomes means E is the event getting one head. The one head you can check. How many one head? Only two. Here is one head, here is one head. Here is zero head, here is two heads. So one head is this part. So right here, head, tail. Okay? You can take one more example. Getting a prime number from a die. From throwing a die. So what is die has sample space? What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose E is the event getting a prime number. Getting a prime number. So which are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. So this is a part of this always. So this is called event now. Okay, then what is called probability? Probability of an event let S be the sample space, E be the event of it. Means what is required? That is a part of that. So probability of E is number of E by number of S. Number of E means record outcomes in E by total number of outcomes. So now you have to remember probability of E is less than 1, greater than 0. First point means probability cannot be greater than 1. It is always 1 or less. Probability cannot be negative. Then probability can be 1, probability can be 0 also. So when it is 0, when it is 1. Now somewhere it is sure event, somewhere it is impossible event. Sure event. All the outcomes from an experiment is called a sure event. What is that meaning? Now suppose example, getting a number less than 7. Less than 7 from a die. The die the sample space. So first S. What are the outcomes in die? Die में क्या होगा? 1 2 3 4 5 6. If numbers less than 7. So which are the numbers less than 7? That means all are there. So you have to take 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means probability of E is what? The number of E by number of S. Number of E, look at here. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is 1. So you got a formula. Probability of sure event is 1. Okay. Probability of impossible event. The outcome not in the sample space is called impossible event. Outcomes not in the sample space is called impossible event. Suppose example, probability of getting a number greater than 6 from a throw of die. Throw of a die. So what to do? Look at here. That is, what is your sample space? Now 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the maximum up to 6, na? E is the event number greater than 6. Which number is greater than 6? Nothing. So empty. Empty means no element. So probability of E, number of E by number of S. Number of E means how many elements here? No elements. So 0 by 6, 0. So second formula you got probability of impossible event is 0. Okay, complement event. Complement event. To understand this, suppose a die is thrown, then what is the probability of not getting a prime number? What is the probability of not getting, complement is not getting an odd number, suppose. Okay, let's break it into two parts. S 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Die is thrown. E stands for getting odd number. Getting odd number, how much? Probability of odd number is 1, 3, 5. So what is probability of E? Now directly you can write 3 elements by 6 elements. Suppose E dash not getting prime number, so not getting odd number. That means 2, 4, 6. Remember, these two are disjoint, no common element. Okay, then you will have complement. What is probability of E dash? Now that is, this is also 3 by 6. Always it is not same. Only here it became same. So you remember, that means what is probability of E plus probability of E complement? If you add these two, how much you get? Half plus half. Half plus half is 1. So you got a formula here. Probability of E complement means 1 minus probability of E. Means if you know the probability of E, you can find out the E complement. Okay, these are all your backgrounds. Now let's start few questions from here. Look at question number 1 is homework for you, because everything I have done here. So 15.1, question number 1 you try to complete. That is homework, because everything is inside what I wrote here. Exercise 15.1, question number 1 is homework. Question number 2. 2 is what? Which of the following experiment has equally likely outcome? Okay, what is equally likely outcome? Equally likely outcome. That is, in an experiment, all the events have the equal chance to come out. For example, there is a coin suppose. So it has head, it has tail. When you throw, either head will come or tail will come. So that is called equally likely. When you throw it, if both are having head and tail side, means this is head side, so this tail. When you throw it, either head will come or tail will come. So that is called equally likely. But if I say both the sides are head, getting tail, will you get a tail from there? Suppose a coin, both the sides are head. Coin. Then if I ask to find the tail, probability of tail, how can you get tail here? Because equally likely is not there, because both the sides are head here. So that is called equally likely outcome. Okay. So like that, question number 2 is also homework for you. Simple questions you can try. Which is equally likely, which is not equally likely. Okay. 3 is also homework, 4 is homework, 5 is homework, because everything I have done. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything I have done now in this discussion. So, question number 6, let us start. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, a bag contains lemon flavored candy only. A bag contains lemon flavored candy only. Okay. Malini takes out one candy without looking into bag. Malini takes out one candy without looking into it. Okay. What is the problem that she takes out an orange flavored candy? What is the probability she takes out orange flavored candy? First you tell me what is the answer of this. From the lemon candies, means there is a sample space, everything is lemon like this, all lemon candies. So from lemon, the lemon will come out, na? Orange will not come. That means this is impossible event. So this is probability of impossible event. What is probability of impossible event? It is 0. Second part of the question is a lemon flavored candy. So from lemon candy, always lemon will come out. That means this is sure event. This is called sure event. So probability of sure event is 1. Okay, simple questions. In a group of 3 students, question number 7. In a group of 3 students, two students not having same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the students have same birthday? What is the probability that two students have same birthday? See, this is complement question. Not having same birthday, you want to find having same birthday. Suppose you write E stands for the students have same birthday. Then E dash, the students not having same birthday. Which one is given? The not having is given. The probability of E dash is given 0.992. Which one you are asked to find? This one. So probability of E plus probability E dash, always remember 1. If this is given, put the value here. So probability of E 0.992 is 1. So probability of E is 1 minus 0.992. Subtract, how much you get? 10 minus 2, 8, 0, 0, 0.088. Okay, let's do question number 8. Question number 8. What is question number 8? Now a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. Okay. Then a ball is drawn at random from the bag. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. Okay. Then question is, what is the probability that the ball drawn is red? What is the probability that the ball drawn is, first question red, second question not red? Okay, the sample space is what? 3 red, 5 black. Total how many? 8. East or R stands for the ball is red. So what is probability of R? Now red how many? 3. So 3 from where? 8 balls. 3 by 8. Not red, second part. Not red means R dash probability. R dash means 1 minus probability of red. 1 minus 3 by 8. That is 5 by 8. 8 minus 3. So look at here. Not red means what? Black. So 5 by 8. Coming the 5 by 8. So like this into question number 9 is homework. Question number, same questions you will do. Similar question. Question number 9 is also homework. Okay, then ten also you try. If you cannot, you can ask me. Question number 10 also homework. Similar question. Same method, 2 lines answer. I think nothing I have to do. 11 is same. Question number 12 I can do. 10, question number 11 is homework. Let me do question number 12. 12 is there. A game of chance consists of spinning. Game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest, pointing at one of the numbers, One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. It is there. Okay. And these are equally likely outcomes. And these are equally likely outcomes. Okay. Then what happened? That what is the probability that it will point at 8? What is the probability that it will point at 8? Okay, look at the spinning one. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. We can move. Okay. 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the probability that it will? So probability of 8. Suppose it will point at 8. How many 8s you are finding? Only one. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second part of the question, that an odd number. Which are the odd numbers you find here? 1, 3, 5, 7. So what is probability of an odd number? E, suppose anything B you write. Probability of B, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many? 8. 4 by 8. 1 by 2. Then a number greater than 2. A number greater than 2. Which are the numbers greater than 2? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is probability of C now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 8. You can simplify. A number less than 9. See your event over. A number less than 9. So less than 9 means what? All numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is suppose D. ये तो sure event, because your event has 8 numbers, sample space also 8 numbers. So probability of D 8 by 8, that is 1. So remaining will do in the next class.